how to connect Printify to Amazon. Here's what you want to do. You want to open up Printify and sign into your account, and right here where it says my store or my new store, you want to add a new store. Now from here we're just going to choose Amazon, and if you want to create a new store or Printify store, you will type the name right here. If you want to use an existing Printify store, you can toggle this option and sign in. Alright, so it's going to show us all of the frequently asked questions and the process which we need to follow underneath. So if you're having any trouble, you can look at this, and we'll click on continue. Please select your target market, so Amazon US, you can connect it, and if you have an Amazon seller account, you will just click on connect here. So what this is going to do is refer us to Amazon, and if you have a seller account, you can, or you have to just log in right here, and this is going to connect your Amazon store to Printify. And the last step will be requesting GTIN exemption. So right here you can go through this, but you will have to connect your Amazon account first just by simply signing in into Printify, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.